If you have a small space, an empty corner, a window nook, or a quiet spot your cat already loves, you can turn it into a beautiful cat retreat with the right bedding, scratching post, toy storage, rug, feeding station, and greenery. These cozy cat corner ideas are perfect for anyone who wants their cat space to blend beautifully with their home. Let's look at a few stylish cat corner ideas that are comfortable for your cat and beautiful for you. I hope these cozy cat corner ideas helped you see how simple it can be to create a beautiful, pet-friendly space in your home. If one of these ideas gave you inspiration, please comment, "My cat needs a little corner," and share this video with other cat lovers. Don't forget to save this video for your next home decor DIY.